Hi, hello guys. Today in this series we are going to discuss about the list. Now let's get started. List. List always starts with an square bracket and the complex data types. They can store any type of data types. Okay. First, suppose this is string, this is integer, this is dictionary, and it can also store the list. Okay. Now, if you want to print it, we print list 1. So, we can get printed it out. Now, we know that lists are ordered and are changeable and allow duplicates. So, we will discuss about it. Now ordered. Ordered means they start from index 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to get the value of the particular index, you can get it by using the index value. So it starts from 0. Okay, if you want to get this empty object, use this index number. So its index number is 2. So we can get empty object. Now, if you find out the length of the list, you can use list 1, LEN, list 1. So, you can get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, if you want to get the type, print type list 1. You can get class list. Okay. Now, if you want to convert the non-listed items into list, you want to use the string str or list. Str for strings, list for lists. Constructor function. Let's discuss. First of all, if we have values, we have apple, banana. Okay. Now, if you want to convert into list 2 is equals to list is a constructor function and you have to pass on the values. So if you print it out, you can use list 2. So it's converted into list. Before converting, it is of the rounded brackets, and if you convert it with the help of list constructor function, it is converted into square brackets. Now let's discuss about indexing. Okay, indexing. For suppose we have list 3. We have 1, 3. Okay. If you want to print out the 3 value, we can use list 3 and in the square bracket. Now also its index number. So if you want to get the 3 as output, use the index 1. So you can get 3. Now if you want to get the last value of the list, use -1 as the index number. Okay. So 3. Now for suppose I am changing this 1, 3 and this empty object. So if you want to print only 3, you can use slicing. Okay, slicing requires the 2 function methods basically, starting index and final index. Okay, so it's 1 is to 2. Okay, it starts from 1 and end at 2 and ignores the final index. So we can get 3, only 3 indexing. Okay. Now if you want to get it all from the particular index except the final one, use is to minus 1. Okay, look here, we don't have empty dictionary. If you use this one, it means 0 is to minus 1. Okay, now if you want to check either it is present in the list or not, use the in operator. Okay, 1 in list 3. Okay, it will give true or false. So this the 1 is present in the list, so it gives the true value. Okay, now we have discussed about the order type. Now we will see about index changeable. Okay, for suppose if you want to change the uh, here 3 into 2, so it basically at the index 3, no, it basically at the index 1, so we at index 1 we want to change it to 2, so print list 3, so 1 2, previously have 1 3, and now we get 1 2, an empty dictionary. And if you want to add at particular index, okay, 1 is to 2, that means it starts at 1 and ends at index 2. Okay, 2 and 3, or basically we will get 3 and 4. Okay, let's print it out. Print list 3. So you can see a second, in the place of second index we got 3 and 4. Okay, now if you want to insert into the list 3 dot insert. Insert requires some specific index for insertion, so we will give an index 1, we want to insert 2, so print list 3. Okay, as you can see, the place of 1, index 1, you can get 2. Okay, now let's see append. Append means it will insert at the end of the list, so list 3 dot append. Okay, at the end of list we have the empty braces. Now let's see 5. If we want to insert 5, okay, print list 3. As you can see, here we get the 5. Now if we want to add any iterable items or data types, we can use extend. Add iterable items. For this, use extend keyword dot extend. Okay, at the last we have 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's print it out. List 3. Look, 6, 7, 8 is inserted. Now, until now we have discussed how to add. Now let's see how we can remove. For that, use the remove function. Dot remove, and it requires a value that is present in the list. So if you want to remove this empty object, we can remove this. It will be removed. Print list 3. Okay, as you can see here it is present, but here it is absent. Okay, and the important thing is removes at first instance of occurrence. Okay. Now, for suppose if you want to sort it out, the list items. So list 3 dot sort. It is for the ascending order. Okay. For suppose if let's see the now it is already sorted out as you can see. Okay. Now if you want to sort it in the reverse direction, for that you have to reverse condition. Reverse is true. Let's see. You can get reverse order. So you can see it is reversed. Okay. Now if you want to pop it out, pop means at a particular index number. Okay. Print. Okay. Let's list 3 dot pop. That means at a particular index. Okay. First, suppose if you want to remove 7 here, you can use 2 or okay, if you want to remove 7, you want to use 1. So if you want to print list 3, we can get printed out. So 7 is removed. Or else there is one special del index list or list 3. Okay. List 3, and if we specify any index, we will remove a particular index. If you do not specify it, it will remove the entire list and its position in the memory also. So first we will check a particular index. So if you want to remove 8, we will give index as 0. Okay. Print list 3. Okay, as you can see, 8 is removed. Okay. Now let's see. List 3 deleted. Now we will get a name error. Okay. We will discuss about name errors in the upcoming videos. Look here, list 3 is not present in the memory address. So it will completely vanish. To avoid this, we have another function. List 3 dot clear. Okay, wait a second. Here I will commenting this list 3 dot clear. This only removes the items in this and returns an empty list. Okay. Look, it is emptied. The list is emptied. Now we will see about how to copy the list. So list 4. Wait a second. I will also uncomment this. Now I want to copy the list 3 for list 4. For that we have copy function. It will give the copy of that list 4 we have. So we will get list 4. Look, the exactly same copy. Now if you want to join any iterables, you have extend, and instead of extend we have the new function. Okay, new function is plus operator, arithmetic operator, not new function. Okay, list 5 is equals to, we have list 3 and list 4. Okay, now I am printing the list 5. Okay, look, these two are combined. Now instead of this, you can use list 5 is equals to list 3 dot extend, because list 4 is iterable. Okay, look, but it is not none. It means it is empty. Okay. Okay. For suppose let's uncomment this. Okay, we will discuss it about it later. Okay. Now we will see how to loop it out. For looping, we have three methods for loop. First one is list. The first one is for loop and print x. It do not require any index. For loop with the ranges. Range means it starts with 0 and up to the length. Okay. For example, we have length list 3. Okay, here it will give the numeric index values. So print list 3 and the index number. And we have the while loop. Okay, x is equal to 0. That is initial value. Now while x less than length of the list 3 will print out. Okay, print list 3. Wait a second, I will do this. Okay, x list 3 and x, and we want to increment this value. X plus is equals to 1. These two methods are same, but we are declaring an initial variable and we are incrementing this. But here we are only using the length function, and automatically it will take care of itself. Okay, let's print it out. Look, we have got this 3. First one, second one, as well as third one. Now, for this for loop, we have another one called list comprehension. So, list comprehension is one line command. We have print x for x and list 3. It will use x values. So, we got 4 values here. Okay. That's all for lists in Python. So let's recap. Lists are started with square brackets and can store any type of data types. And to print, we have print values. Lists are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicates. And to get the particular index value, use the square brackets and index value. To get the length, use len. To get the type, to use type function, and to convert any value to the list, use list function, and indexing. We have discussed to get particular value, use square bracket and index value. It is for positive way and it is for negative way, and it is for slicing. Slicing means returns. Starts from this index number and enter this index number minus 1. Okay, it starts from 0 until the last value. Okay, if you want to check if either it is correct or not in the list, use in operator. Okay, it is changeable. So to change the value of particular index, it is index number and it is value. Okay, to insert it particular index until this one, use slicing method. To insert at a particular index, use insert command instead of this one and this one. Use this. To append at the last, use this one. You want to extend the list, the returnable items, use the extend keyword. So to remove, use the remove item. Before to sort, use the sort command, and it has a reverse functionality. By using the reverse, you want to remove the index at last one. Oh, okay, excuse me. This index at remove at the particular index. Use the same index. Okay. If you want to, instead of using pop, then use del and this particular index or otherwise if you want completely vanish it from the memory, you can use del. If you want to remove only the items in it, is clear. It will copy the list. It is looping. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.